If you're building projects with any of these AI tools and you're not a native engineer, you might think you know what's going on behind the scenes, but let's be honest, you probably don't. Every time you're spinning up a new session of Claude to build out an application for you, it'll build it, but when it drops the files, it looks like nothing more than Chinese to you. This is the application of all those files that you just saw. What we're looking at here is simple, but inside of the app folder, not so much. And now what we're looking at is the graph brain of the application that I just showed you. But I could take a project tour and learn exactly what each of the files mean to the application. And the plugin that we're going to be diving deep into today is Understand Anything. It's GitHub's #1 repository of the day. And keep in mind, you can create a brain for any of your projects. It doesn't just have to be Claude code, but it could be Codex, Copilot, Gemini, and everything else you see here. But if you're using Claude Code, the first step is just giving it access to the plugin. Second is activating the plugin and pointing it at the repo that you're building. It'll go through the mapping process and give you a dashboard to boot open just like this. And third, you can go through the entire dashboard yourself so you can understand anything and know what the heck is going on. Before we dive into the dashboard itself and look at what it's capable of, I want to get this installed for you inside of your setup. For Claude Code users, all you have to do is grab this command here, come into your setup, paste it, click enter. So it's added to your marketplace. Second is grabbing this install, pasting it in, clicking enter, and you're good to go. Now to start using it, all you have to do is type in /understand. This is the whole command. It's going to ask for the path of the application and whatever you're building. Let's say it's this one here. All you want to do is copy the path, click enter, and it's going to go through more or less 7 phases to map out everything inside of the repo here. So this is quite literally how you could take any repo and turn it into a brain. And the process takes a bit of time, so I'm going to show you the output while you're actually having it go through this process yourself. But it's going to create an Understand Anything folder inside of the application folder itself with all the files and folders it needs to register inside of the dashboard. And when it's done, it should automatically boot open the dashboard inside of your browser. If it doesn't, take the path, plug it in, and ask Claude to open the Understand Anything dashboard for you. And now what was once complicated is graphed out for you inside of a graph brain. We can see the overview of the project here, and one of the most useful things for you is the guided tour. If you enjoy the value that I'm putting down, go ahead and like this video and consider subscribing because it's the easiest way to support me. And 90% of my viewers aren't subscribed yet. And if you're a current subscriber and have seen some of my content already, that first link that you see in the description is the easiest way to download my personal AI operating system. It's called Charlie OS. I install it for you, and we point it at your business's biggest revenue bottleneck. Second, if you want to master Claude Code, the link right below the first one is the easiest way to get into my school and take my Zero to Dangerous Claude Code Mastery course. That was the only shameless promo in this video. So if we look to the right, the easiest way to start understanding any repo that you ran through this plugin is to go through the project tour. So you'd click Start Tour. Now everybody's project overview is going to be a little bit different, but you can click open any of these boxes to understand what they actually mean. Like I have this open here, I have the poll.json. So this is a project tracker. Maybe I open this one up, tells me it's a git ignore style file. So basically what to exclude when launching the app. And there's some other files down here. So if you want to understand what any of that means, you just click into it. And if I click next, we're looking at root layout and app entry. So these are all going to be files that we can already see inside of our file structure in the app folder. And anything that you want to get clearer on, now that you understand that these files are relevant to the root layout and app entry, maybe you don't even know what this means. Tell Claude to look at the Understand Anything data for this particular app that it built out, and you can go one by one and start to understand what it means. And then in the same way, in this step of the tour, click a file, read what it's about. And to level with you, a lot of this does go over my head because I'm not an engineer. But I can start to think like one so that when Claude builds these things out and these files appear, I know what they mean. And it also adds language lessons here. And this is another huge one in step 4, login and logout flow. Now you can go through this tour at your own pace. You can see things are highlighted so you can read into them. I'm not going to bore you with a lot of these details, but as far as you being somebody who has no idea what's going inside of your app, using this is going to take you to the next level. So if we exit the tour and we go back to the project overview, we could see how things are set up real simply. And you can mess around with it at your own pace, but if you want an overview, you can see what it's built out of real simply. And then if you want to learn, this is how you access your project tour. And what's truly awesome about this plugin is the fact that you're not only going to start to understand the inner workings of the apps and projects you're building in your own platform, but if you head over to GitHub and you look at some of the trending repositories, you can pull any of these public repos into your setup and run understand anything on them so that you can clearly understand what's going on. And it's probably going to give you a deeper level of understanding when it comes to using your agentic coding tool to build things out. And if this video interested you, check this out. This is my agent brain inside of Obsidian. I used a plugin called Graphify to take all the assets inside of my code base and create this graph. And it not only graphed everything out, but it actually created relationships between all the assets inside of my code base. So imagine I built out a bunch of courses and I gave Claude access to them. They tied directly to my school community without me ever having to tell Claude that's what they were for. And if I want to search through any of that concentrated data, I can just run Graphify query and then tell it what I'm looking for. I can find my data 10 times faster and spend 70 times less token on the searches that I'm doing through the Graphify query. If you want to check that video out, it's linked below in the description as well. It's the Claude code plus Graphify video. I teach you how to set it up and use it. And over here, I also did a podcast segment with the creator of the Graphify plugin. So if you're somebody who likes to understand what the heck is going on and learn deeper about what Claude code or any of your AI models are doing for you as far as your projects go, this is going to be the ultimate fix. And it's probably one of the most underrated repos I've seen all this year so far. So if you're on your journey to mastering any of these agentic coding tools, this is a must-have in your arsenal. Feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. And if you enjoyed this quick one, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below of what you'd like to see more of next. See you on the next one.